arts and design, the divine language, the language of gods, a language which evokes emotion in all communities, cultures, and civilizations across the world, a language that brings us all together, a language that has led to the creation of most wonderful masterpieces that humanity has ever seen. At Gyan Vihar Center of Arts and Design, we celebrate this very language. If you have a creative bone in your body, if you are someone who's also titillated by the vagaries of this language, then GCAD is the place to be. The newest addition in Gyan Vihar University's richly growing list of schools, programs, and specializations. At GCAD, we are offering you a Bachelor's of Design with specialization in fashion and lifestyle accessory design, another specialization in communication and graphics. If you're someone who wants to pursue your master's, you can do your MDes at GCAD. And if you're someone who wants to create knowledge, who wants to do some research, then there are PhD programs on offer also. So if you are someone who's creative, if you are someone who wants an outlet for this creativity which is inherent to you, then GCAD is the place to be. Thank you.